It's my off day today. You know, I'm not one normally to want to do vlogs, but I thought it might be a nice way to have a more casual video to get to know you guys a little bit better. Let's get started with our day. I take a look at my weight. Usually I weigh about 175, but recently I've been weighing a lot more because I've been eating more and also I've been working out more. Okay, so 186.2, that's a lot heavier than normal, but I am holding the camera, so I don't know. That definitely is a lot heavier than normal though, so I've been gaining a lot of weight recently. Well, I mean, I think I'm gaining a lot of strength at the gym too, so I'm going to go to the gym today as well. I'm going to do deadlift. Yesterday I did some bench press. I've been making some good gains there. But yeah, the weight has definitely been going up recently. It's definitely hard to keep the weight off during residency. Oh yeah, the other thing is that recently I've been having so many problems with my contacts, so I haven't been wearing them, and it's been like really reducing my productivity a lot. Like a lot of times I want to do a video, but my vision's not very good. When you're working 6 days a week, just hard to see the optometrist. It's also really annoying, you know, while I'm at the hospital because you're always on the computer staring at a screen. And so if your eyes are bothering you, it just gives you a big headache all day. All right, so today might be potentially a great day for me to make videos because I got the whole house to myself. Quan, my roommate, is working today and I just sent my wife to the airport. So I sent her at like 5 a.m. and then I came home and went back to sleep. I've been getting better at making videos when there's other people around. I think I'm not as worried about, you know, talking a bunch and making mistakes all the time, but it is still easier when, you know, you just have the whole house to yourself and you can just talk to a camera all the time. One of the times I was most productive in my life was back in college when I used to use these daily planners a lot more. And I recently started getting back into this, and I feel like having something physical to actually write on really actually does help a lot with productivity, because a lot of times we're on our devices too much recently, and it's just so much more satisfying to write down what my tasks are for the day and then cross them out. So yesterday I did quite a bit, you know, even like really easy things. It's just satisfying to be like, hey, like I ordered some litter for the cats. I took out the litter. It's just like such easy things to just like cross out. It actually feels really satisfying. Here's some video plans that I was hoping to do. So, you know, right now I'm on GenMed consults. So, you know, doing some pre-op risk stratification, syncope, how to present ICU patients, and how to present patients in general are things that I am hoping to do. I was thinking about doing a haircut yesterday, but I wasn't able to do it, so I'm going to try and push it to today. And then there's a bunch of EMR videos that I made in the past, like how to admit patients, how to discharge patients, how to pre-round effectively, that I had to remove from the YouTube channel. I've been trying to figure out if there's any way I could repost them. So I'm trying to go through all the avenues to figure out how to get those back online. But anyways, big things for today are probably going to be getting that haircut done and then doing like a syncope video or some other kind of video for you guys. And also, the reason I wanted to make this video was I'd love to hear from you guys in terms of what kind of teaching style is the most effective, what kind of videos you've been enjoying on my channel. Is the current style of lecturing something that works out well for you guys? I feel like for me, it's definitely the way I can pump out videos the quickest, you know, just freehanding things as if I was writing on a chalkboard. That way, you know, the production effort is minimal. I'm not having to make a bunch of PowerPoint slides beforehand or anything. Obviously, it doesn't look as professional, but I think a lot of times it's like the Khan Academy style videos where it really is still pretty helpful. So I'm hoping I can get some of your guys' feedback on if you like those kinds of videos or not. All right, so maybe we'll do this syncope video. Then I'll go do my haircut. At some point, I should do deadlift, and then I'll, you know, edit this vlog and stuff. And then also, I've been wanting to make like my YouTube videos into shorts again. You know, I also been wanting to make some like Reddit posts for guides for interns and stuff like that. So let's see how much of this we can get accomplished today. Before I do this, I have to like kind of get myself mentally prepared for what I'm gonna do. There's like other things, you know, I've taken notes down about things I want to say about syncope. A lot of times I actually refer to other YouTube videos to make sure I'm not missing any important points. And a lot of times I see other med ed YouTubers like Dr. Strong, for example, and learn a lot of really useful things from their videos too. So in that sense, I really enjoy making these videos because it helps me learn a lot too. So yeah, let me just kind of walk around for a little bit, like get prepared for making this video, review some of my notes, and then I'll get started. What are you doing? Diva, look. Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about syncope in less than 10 minutes, so let's get started. So syncope is defined by a transient loss of consciousness with rapid recovery. The key thing that I want you to note is the rapid recovery component of it, because if anybody is having a prolonged recovery or prolonged confusion afterwards, such as a post-ictal state, then this is not suggestive of syncope. All right, so I just finished the video. I think it may have run slightly over 10 minutes, but I'm glad to have gotten it done. It always feels good to make the video. Making the video is the hardest part. It always takes me the longest to start getting into it, but once you get into the mood and you just start doing it, then the rest of the process becomes smooth. So yeah, next I'm gonna go cut my hair, and then maybe I'll start editing the video a little bit. I hope it was good. Recently I've been trying to do videos that are less than 10 minutes, so not as long, just so it's more easily digestible. And also I think when people are on YouTube, they like to click on videos that are shorter in length. You know, if you see a video that's 20, 25 minutes, it's a little bit more intimidating to click on that. So I've been trying to really just streamline the videos to try and make them less than 10 minutes as much as possible, just to get the big key points across and help people figure out how to manage things like syncope or other things like that. Part of me does still feel like, you know, with the freehand, just writing it out, it's not as structured as I may want it to be. But again, I feel like I can always remake these videos, and I'm hoping that just getting a lot of these videos out for you guys will be useful for helping you guys learn, and then, you know, we can all learn together and fix the videos based on your comments. If you guys have any feedback or anything, I'd love to make some corrections to the videos and make a new updated version as well in the future. All right, so this is a before shot of my haircut. I don't think I did the best job last time, but the big problem with Asian hair is that the sides just kind of grow straight out, and so it gets really messy looking like this. So basically the big reason I have to cut my hair more often is to get this side part off. So let's get that done. Hopefully we can do a good job here. I wonder if I should watch some YouTube videos again before my haircut. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's just cut my hair and see what happens. So here's my after shot. You know, it's not perfect, but I feel like for me, I never was satisfied with my haircuts outside. It's so much easier. Like, when did I start? I started at 11:50 and it's currently 12:15. So it took me 25 minutes to cut my hair. I feel like it's a bit of a skill that I'm learning on my own, which is nice because I can continue to develop it. And it gives me a similar haircut to what I would get outside. Haircuts can add up, and even if it's like 15, 20 bucks every time you go, like, I feel like every time I'm doing this, I'm saving money. I get to cut my hair more frequently. I can fix it up if I want to. So I've really enjoyed cutting my own hair for about the past year or so. It's time to do some cleanup of the aftermath now. Alright, so that is the syncope video done and haircut done. Next, I want to do a deadlift before it gets too hot. I also want to try this app that one of my best friends from high school is making. It's a workout app, so I'm going to try this as well. Some of my friends just asked to play Apex Legends, and I haven't played that in a long time, and I think it'd be fun to go play that with them. I'll then start editing some vlogs. Maybe at some point I will play DDR as well. So I'm just adding a few more tasks here. But the next big one is going to be deadlift and the Metal app. And this is just to show you guys kind of my workout tracker. I just keep track in OneNote. But you can see the past 2 months I've been actually working out quite consistently. Just really doing the three big lifts like bench, deadlift, and squat. Yesterday I did the best on bench. I think I'm basically the strongest I've ever been. I did 187.5 and basically 4 sets of 6. So today for deadlift, I'm gonna have to be doing 220. I only do 3 sets because I don't really like doing deadlift and squat that much, but I'm still making progress, right? I'm going up like 5 pounds each time. All right, so I finished my deadlifts. As you can tell, my contacts are really bothering me now, unfortunately. I'll probably have to take them out soon. But now I'm gonna finish the rest of the workout. I'm gonna do the Metal app that my friend is making. It's telling me to do some diamond push-ups and some reverse crunches, so I'm gonna try and do that. And then I'll be done with working out for the day. The great part about working out at home is in between all my sets and everything, I can just go around, drink some water, go work on my computer, do something like that. It's been a really good opportunity for me to take out the trash and other things, like other house chores that I need to do. So let's finish off this workout from Metal and see how it goes. I don't know how to do diamond push-ups. Dang, those push-ups are hard to do. It's such a weird angle. Pretty tough to do. Alright, so I'm done with my friend's metal app workout. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you'd like to try it out. Honestly, it's really nice. What I really like about it is it had me do some diamond push-ups today, some reverse crunches, and otherwise I probably would not have done crunches. I have not been doing any ab work at all, so it's a really nice encouragement. I like that you can kind of change the time duration of your workout, so you can tailor it based on your needs, especially if you're a resident. You can do something as short as 15 minutes. Anything that can really get you moving and doing a little bit of exercise is really a huge deal. The other thing that's great about it is you can tell the app what equipment you have. So if you have a bench press or something, it'll suggest weight-related exercises like that. But if you only have body weight stuff, you can tailor it and it'll customize your workouts for you. Definitely recommend trying it out if you're looking for something to get you back on that fitness train. All right, so here's my final workout for the day. Did the deadlifts, chin-ups, push-up, and crunches. And then gonna be able to mark off some of this stuff. So deadlift is complete, metal app complete. Next, I think some of my friends wanted to play some Apex Legends, so I'm gonna do that for a little bit. And then I'm gonna start editing the vlog, and then maybe do some of this other stuff down here. So far, it's been a pretty productive day, so we'll see how the rest of the good day goes. Let's fucking go! Alright, so it's about 4 o'clock now. I just finished playing Apex with my friends. Just gonna go get to work on editing this video and then the syncope video now. And also I'm gonna cook some food after that. It was really nice playing some video games with my old med school friends. I hadn't done that in a while. So I'll probably have to do that a little bit more frequently, I think. It was good catching up with them and just playing a game together. So time to get to work on editing. So I've been working on my edits and so far going well. Just a lot of takes a lot of work to do a vlog and edit stuff. I'm gonna see if I can add in some sounds and music and everything like that. It was nice for me to be able to share some of my thoughts and also kind of talk about, you know, what the future direction of this channel should be in terms of making more content and educational stuff. You ready for food, Fiva? You ready for food? Huh? Ready to eat, Fiva? Oh no, you're not ready to eat? Okay, let's give you some food. Let's give you some food. Good old wet food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, well I think that's going to wrap up this vlog. Obviously I spent a long time editing. It takes a really long time to edit, but we got most of the big things done today. I'm going to have to review some of my patients for tomorrow. Out of all of our tasks today, you know, we did the Apex Legends, did not do DDR, and then we did edit the vlog. So these are some of the things that I'm still wanting to work on at some point. And, you know, we still got most of the main things done today, so I'm still pretty satisfied overall. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Can't wait to hear your comments and thoughts down below. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and peace.